Hello guys, Shubham here, back again in another video. So today we are going to see that how to install Android 12L for Poco F1. So after so long we are returning back coming with Android 12L ROMs. So now without any further ado, let's get into this video. So as you can see, this is the Poco F1 and you can see that I have already installed the Android 12L ROM. The ROM which I installed is the Cherish OS. This ROM is basically Android 12L or you can say Android 12.1. So at the very first time, as you can see that you have to store your ROM in any of your device. In my case, I have stored in the OTG, that is USB pen drive. You can also store in your internal device or storage. So here we go, I am configuring my USB device, going into file manager, moving towards the drive, and you can see that this is the file which is needed to be flashed. Not to worry, everything is included in this ROM file itself, right from the vendor, moving towards the advanced restart, booting into recovery. Wait for a while and you will boot into TWRP recovery of your phone. Make sure that you are using the TWRP recovery of version 3.6. This is the version which is required for all Android 12 or 12L ROMs. So moving towards the wipe, you have to wipe all the partitions mentioned in the video itself. Excluding internal storage, all the above partitions needed to be wiped. So here you can swipe to wipe. I am not doing this as I already installed this ROM. So once you wipe all the partitions, you have to move towards the storage. In my case is USB OTG. Scrolling down, you can see this is the file which is needed to be flashed, Cherish OS version 3.6.5. You just have to click on that file, do nothing else and just swipe to confirm flash. As I mentioned, I have already flashed this ROM, so I am not flashing it again, as overdoing it will make it fall into boot loop or might also break the device. So this is all is needed. Pressing to the reboot option and rebooting to the system. Wait for a while until you see the Poco logo and also the boot animation of the newly installed ROM. So this is the boot animation of Cherish OS. So this is how the boot animation looks. So now let's have at the first look and impressions of the Android 12L ROMs. There are not much major changes in Android 12.1 or Android 12L. But this is something that tapping on the home screen for long, you will get all these options regarding wallpapers. These are some of the home settings of the launcher itself where you will get all the options. From some aspects, the Android 12L ROM is something different. The closing and opening animations of applications is something different and basically it seems kind of smooth and doesn't lag at any of the circumstances. Moving towards the setting, you can see this is the user interface regarding users and all the other things. These are some of the ROM settings itself. You will find a whole lot of customizations as this is the custom ROM. So pretty much obvious. This is the wallpaper section where you will get all the customizations. This is more of like a Monet engine where you can customize wallpaper and all the other stuff. Being honest, other stuff looks just like the Android 12, no major changes are seen. Talking about this ROM, then you will get IR face unlock, which is the specialty of Poco F1. They made sure that they also include the IR face unlock, so hassle free you can just unlock your phone within a blink, so no issues in that. Moving further, you will also get always on display. As you can see this pretty nice animation of always on display when you click on the power button and you unlock your phone. This is something nice. Make sure that your always on display will consume your extra battery. So in my case, I have enabled the always on display only when I kept my device on charge. Pretty smart though, I know that. So that's all about the first impressions of this ROM. If you want the full review of this ROM, you can mention down in the comment box itself. So that's it for this video guys. Hope you got this video of how to install the newly Android 12L ROM for a Poco F1. So that's it for it. I will see you guys in the next one with some another new ROM or new mod. Till then, peace out.